Hi, I'm Kathy from Room, and today I'll show you how to manually scale yourself and correct your brightness. So say you've entered the room and you notice that you're quite small in comparison to others or to the overall proportion of the room. There's a really nice fix for that. If you click on yourself, you'll notice this adjustment settings. And if you click on the arrow, you can drag it outwards to make yourself larger or bring it in to make it smaller. So I'm going to just make myself a bit larger like so. And say you feel you're a bit too dark or too bright, you can instantly adjust the brightness ratio. And so once you're content, just click outside the box and there you are, proportionate to the room. Thanks for joining me on this room tutorial, and I'll see you around. Bye!